Hi friends, my name is Melissa. We're gonna go to Disney World. This video pretty much is going to be packing with me. I've created a packing list. I've been doing a ton of research these past 2 months just on, any tips, tricks, but also a ton of pack with me videos. I am currently obsessed with them, so I decided I might as well give it a try myself. So I hope you enjoy. I have a list that I created on my laptop. I section it by categories. The first one is going to be my carry-on. I just bought a Baboon to the Moon a mini bag and I'm super excited because it's so pretty. It's the first time I'm ever using the bag. It is this bag. My Baboon to the Moon. Anyway. I also am bringing a checked luggage. So that one, I think it's medium size. And then my last thing is a Fjällräven Känken, just a tiny park bag. So that'll be my personal item. So I have my laptop right next to me now with the list. So for the Baboon to the Moon carry-on, I'm just gonna have an extra set of clothes for the airport, my camera, 2 memory cards, all the chargers that I need. So it's not all in here because it's still early and I still need my watch charger, my iPhone charger, the camera charger, and possibly my laptop charger. But it's all gonna go in here in this cute little Amazon cord holder. And then I also have my bullet journal. It's my Hobonichi journal. My laptop, if I do plan on bringing it, that is that for the carry-on. And then for my Fjällräven Känken, so I'm gonna bring this bag. Also has a tiny Lego Boba Fett here. And in this bag, I'm just gonna have my wallet, and I do have a card holder. And then I'm gonna bring a pill case just because, in case I get sick. I believe it's Pepto-Bismol, allergy, Tylenol, ibuprofen. Also might bring Tums as well. And then I'm also bringing this little medicine pouch. I have lash glue. I just bought Lashify and Lilac Street DIY lashes, which I currently have on right now, and I like them a lot. So I plan on just using that. Vapor inhaler, eye drops, more eye drops, but for contacts because I wear contacts. The white flower, this is for like headache. Extra contacts in here. Tweezers, this more medicine, a little motion sickness bands, and a small little comb. I plan on putting band-aids and the moleskin as well. So that's gonna be in there. A tiny little fan cooling towel, my film camera. So this one, I am bringing film canisters. And I know that Disney doesn't have gum, so I will be bringing some gum in this little container. Also extra mask. I bought this thing on Amazon. It opens like this and you can put masks in there so they're all straight. I'll also have my magic band, a refillable water bottle. So we have this Pelican products. It does hold in the cold, so we'll be using this every day at the parks. Now for the check suitcase. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't completely finish, so we're gonna talk back in a few days. So it's been a couple of days and I am still packing. So I did buy packing cubes, which is really awesome. So I have this for my shoes. And these are going to be my park shoes, New Balances, slippers for the hotel and the pool. These, because I think I might wear them to Animal Kingdom. They're Tevas. I'm bringing these shoes. I honestly feel like I'm bringing too many shoes. And it all fits in here. So, besides the New Balances, because I'm gonna wear them on the airplane. This first one that I have here is pretty much my bottom. I'm bringing jean shorts. These shorts, and then, these shorts will most likely be for Epcot. Biker shorts, these are Lulu shorts. I'm gonna wear these for Animal Kingdom. Undershorts for under my skirts. This one I'm gonna wear at Hollywood Studios. It's a little skirt. This skirt, pretty cute. And then this skirt that I'm actually pretty proud of because I made them. Yeah, and it fits perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and just pack one of the packing cubes right now. The next packing cube that I have are my shirts. So I have a lot of shirts. I have about 10 shirts here, and then I have these as well. So you'll see my outfits when I vlog. This next packing cube that I have, which is already packed as well, it's going to have my bathing suits and my pajamas. A small cover up for my bathing suit. That's all that's in my packing cubes. I'm just gonna zip these up and put them in the luggage. Okay, so there's a dog in my luggage right now. He always does this. So I have this for my bottoms, my shirts, and then my pajamas and my bathing suit. And then here, underwear, socks, and bras. So I just have a few travel stuff that I need. So I have the Moleskine that everyone says I should bring, powdered sunscreen, that sunscreen, and a shower cap. This is my jewelry. So I am bringing a good amount of jewelry, which I can actually show you. Okay, so I have a few jewelry here. I have rings, earrings, these earrings, a bracelet or anklet, more earrings, and these are 3 different necklaces, and then also heart earrings. My shoes that I'm gonna bring to the park. So I have this hat that Sid got me when we last went to Disneyland. This one I got at San Diego Zoo. And then this one as well. Mainly bucket hats, as you can tell. And then I have just these 2. Maybe I might buy ears in the park, I don't know. But these I got at Swap Meet, and then these I got the last time I went to Disney. So I also bought a toiletry bag. I still need to do my nails, but in this bag, powdered travel size lint roller. These 2 are my shampoo and conditioner, mouthwash, soap. This soap is so cute, sunscreen, my deodorant, you always need that, lotion, a little bit of perfume, hand lotion, my contact lens solution, along with extra contacts right here, a little few rubber bands that are just loose right there, some floss here. This is my cellar water and dry shampoo, my moisturizer, cleanser, and all of that stuff. So that's all in here. Then I just have a few more toiletries that I actually need to put in here just because we're not leaving yet. So in 2 days I'll be able to put, you know, my toothbrush, toothpaste, my glasses, anything like that. But that is my toiletry bag, and it will just go in here. I also want to mention this. So I bought a little loofah at Daiso, and then I bought this little laundry bag for things, and then also this, I got this at Daiso. Super duper cute, and it's just another laundry bag. I might put my ears in there, but still not too sure. I also have a belt, but I do have shorts that I do need a belt that I might wear. So this will just go in my bag as well. So yeah, that concludes my pack with me. I am probably forgetting things. That's exactly why I make these lists. So I'm gonna go ahead, just finish up any other things that I need to pack, but that's about it for me. I hope you enjoyed this pack with me video. Have a wonderful day or night. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the vlogs. Bye!